Frugal friends, yes, I am aware that the angle is still a matter of, well, there's a learning curve, okay? We're using the new GoPro, and I am learning as I go, and it's gonna take some time to get that angle just right. So please bear with me. Today's video was recorded yesterday before I had a chance to do the editing and see kind of where the angle was at and get that sorted out. So please bear with me. To those who are and who have been encouraging and are just excited that we're using a GoPro finally, thank you. I appreciate it so much. I am working on it, you guys, and I will get it figured out, and that will improve, but hopefully just being able to see that I'm using both hands and having a lot less shakiness and a clearer video is enough for you for at least this video. So, yes, there will be some bad angles in this video, but I will show you the stuff that we found as much as possible so that you'll still get to see what it was that we were able to save and salvage. And as time goes on, I do hope you'll bear with me. We will get this angle figured out and it will improve. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so here's the thing about the Halloween store is that next week is going to be the big week, but I, of course, will be at Disney World with my daughter. So if you happen to be in this area in Utah, please, oh my goodness, please hit up the Halloween store dumpsters next weekend, please, because I will not be able to. See, because right now they're going to be putting everything on clearance. That's what they're doing. But then next week they'll be trying to get rid of stuff. And whatever hasn't sold on clearance and that they're not going to keep for next year, it's going to be out here. I spoke to a very friendly Spirit Store employee when we were in Arizona last week, and she told me how they work. Okay, so this is what they do. Day after Halloween, today, everything goes down to 50%. Awesome. Okay, and that's a good deal. If there's something you were looking for, you know, a great chance to, if you're willing to pay, a great chance to go and get a great deal. All right, but then what they do is they'll save a bunch of the stuff for the next year, and she even showed me the section where they have their clearance, and I didn't even realize there was a clearance section in the Spirit Store, which is silly because I have found so much clearance stuff in the bins from the Spirit Store. But anyway, so she showed me that they have a clearance section, and the clearance section is where they put the things from the year before that they held on to. And then you guys, like I just said, we find clearance items in their dumpsters. Well, so what I have figured is the stuff that they packed up, obviously there'll be stuff that was kind of broken or was missing a piece or whatever, tried on too many times. Well, not this year, but anyway, that stuff will be in the dumpster anyway. But this is what I'm figuring out from what she told me and from what I've seen over the years. The stuff that was from the previous year that they had on clearance this year, that is what is ending up in the dumpsters. There you go. There's some bread. Something in that box, can't tell what, but we'll get that bread. Might be some mustard or something in that other bag. Might be an old coat. Bingo. Look at that. Let's see what the date is on it. 10/22. What do you think, guys? Oh, that one's open. I'll take it. I think they're all 10/22. And this is, what, 11/1. What do you think if we just put them in the freezer? Well, I don't really have room in my freezer. I'm gonna have to share these right away. Or I guess we can make bread pudding. I don't eat bread pudding, but we can make some. See if the family wants any, because we've got family in town. They might like some. Other ideas, croutons. What else, guys? Give me some ideas. Besides just straight up donation, give me some other ideas for this bread. Okay, a lot going on here. I can't immediately see anything good, but we will look. Maybe this bag, maybe. Okay, let me get the rake. Let's see. Yes, I know these are good coolers, but I find 10 of them every time I come dumpster diving. I can't save all of them. Look at that. We've got a Nutra chopper. That's cute. Oh, poor thing. He got broken. We've got a leather type C charger. I don't know if that's the kind that will fit my phone. Oh, there's the other piece. Well, one of the other pieces. We've got some Juicy Drops gummies. Looks like we've got a bunch of them in here, actually. There's another. There's more of those. Too bad I didn't have these last night. These would have been great to give out. A nice big bag of M&Ms, peanut M&Ms in the fun size. Again, those would have been great to give out last night, but we will keep them for us. More pieces of that broken guy. Poor thing. And some register tape. I'm gonna give that to Mimi. She will do some crafts with it. Okay. Not too shabby. I'm over here taking a look at the, what do you call it? Thrift store. Haven't been over here in a while. This is the recycling bin. That's annoying. Oh, we got a bunch of movies here on the ground. Wild West. Hey, Hocus Pocus on VHS. You know we'll take that. Bird cage, that's a fun one. Can't get it stuck under the thing. That one's brand new, still in the package. Got Kate and Leopold. These are some light fixtures. Oh, jeez. In the Groovin' House, Richard Simmons, come on. Oh, that's fun. All right. The rest of these we'll just take and donate, but I want to keep those other ones. Let's get a look at what's going on. When I was pulling up, I know I saw someone had dumped some stuff out where they're not supposed to. And then over here, looks like same thing, which I don't understand why people aren't taking it where it belongs. They are open for appointments now. It's a nice basket. And a couple of nice baskets. And a file folder. Some really nice winter boots. Do you know those might fit Mariah? I'm gonna grab those. Some Ultra Bond tape. Some ribbon. Some paint. This looks like a bunch of, yeah, boutonnieres and corsages. I don't know what we'll do with that, but throw it in with the flowers that we found at the craft store, see if my sister-in-law wants them. Bunch of paper, whole bunch of, holy cow, all different colors of paper. You know, we'll take that. Let's grab these and we'll come back for that box. It's pretty heavy. Has warmed up a little. Sun came out. That's nice. hope these fit Mariah. This case of paper, we'll keep some of it for us and then see if any of the rest of my family wants some. We'll be seeing them all today, so hopefully they'll take some. Holy cow, it's heavy. It's a nice thing about the GoPro, you guys. My hands are free. I know, the van is a disaster. You don't need to tell me. It's actually not. It's the stuff that we found this weekend, and then the chairs that need to be put back in, and then it just needs to be vacuumed badly. Look at all this fabulous colored paper. Oh, there's even printer paper. Oh no, it's something else. Yeah, whole packs of paper. Jeez Louise. All right, we'll take a quick look over in here. All right, here we got some pastels. I'll give those to Lulu. And some streamers, party streamers. I want to get over here and see this pile of illegal dumping. Just get an idea of what it is. I am sticking to my rules. No, none of this is anything we want. Having to be careful, guys. Not take too much, not take stuff that I'm not actually going to use or that I can't pretty quickly share, sell, or donate, because we just don't have the room.